Hello everyone. So, are you also facing issues with your child at home? क्या आपका बच्चा ज़िद्दी चिड़चिड़ा हो गया है, आपकी बात नहीं मानता, और मे बी he or she was very energetic before but nowadays he is very dull, या उसका नेचर या एटीट्यूड चेंज हो गया है? So, for all these questions, I had set up a Zoom meeting with Dr. Supriya to guide us all. And as a parent, how we can discipline our child in these tough times. As a parent, what we need to understand and how to identify that our kid needs help. And what are the checks that we should be aware of. So let us see what Dr. Supriya has to say about these questions.
As I said, real and genuine parenting is always appreciated by the kids.
This is the best tip, I guess, because every child is different and every parent is different. Hello, Dr. Supriya. Welcome to our channel. And I'm so happy to have you here today with us. And just a little bit introduction from your side to all the viewers here.
Sure. And I'm so glad, Vani, that finally we made it. And just to tell our, people those who are watching, it is 10:30, and both of us are doing 10:30 p.m. for both of us, and we are doing it. So that talks about the passion for this subject. I'm a therapist. I have done my PhD, and I am a coach. I'm also facilitator, and most importantly, I'm very passionate about parenting because I have seen people growing or struggling all because of their initial experience of what their parents are all about.
Absolutely. So I was just having this thought in my mind from so long. It's been 1.5 year, almost more than that, that we are going through this pandemic situations. हम अपने बच्चों को कोरोना से बाहर से तो बचा रहे हैं physically, but what about their mental health actually?
Yeah.
I have a 6-year-old daughter at my home, and I think she is changed a lot during this time. उसका nature, उसका behavior, and it's not pretty good on kids part also, studying at home, staying at home all the time. So does mental health, does it affect kids also?
Yeah, of course. Yes, it is. And I'm so glad that you're talking about because generally we parents are very mindful. बच्चे ने बोला कि आँख में दर्द हो रहा है, we immediately take the kid to the ophthalmologist or any other small little complaint, and we are very eager to take them to the doctors to get it treated. But when it comes to the mental health, one, we are not equipped or we are not aware, and another, the kind of a pressure we have to accept that the kid needs help. So I'm so glad that you asked about it, and yes, there are definitely some signs or red flags, you can say. Any apparent change in routine, Vani. Uh, for example, if the child is overly cranky, who is generally a very happy and fun-loving kind of a child, or if you feel that totally withdrawn, not responding to any stimulus outside the environment, और बहुत ज़्यादा खाने लगा है, बहुत ज़्यादा सोने लगा है, एग्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, सो नॉर्मल से ज़रा सी भी डिविएशन है and it is for a consistent period of time, then this is definitely a sign to be worried about.
Yeah, and that's what makes me come to the second point is uh, what as a parent we can do right now in this pandemic where even the parents are also going through a lot of change, having kids at home, doing a lot of household work, a lot of load has come, especially on the moms. And
Yeah.
so I think mentally the parents are also not stable at this point of time. So
Yeah.
can we pass on this to the kids as well? Like if we are not stable, obviously I think we are just making them also mentally ill.
Yeah, yeah. So I would say that first and foremost, lot of time we have undue pressure to be parent, and I would say that with my experience that many a times we struggle to be a very perfect parent. There is nothing such as perfect parents. I would say this is real parent.
Huh.
What is possible goal for all of us. And that's what the child or the kids really appreciate when they see their parents being real and genuine. So in this whole scenario, we are not God. Even God is also struggling to give us some relief in this time, I should say. We are not
Very
gods,
true.
you know, we are just parents, and we also have certain limitations. And I always say that
Yeah.
accept it, because the moment you accept this, you understand yourself कि आपसे भी कोई गलती हो सकती है, आप भी कभी गुस्सा हो सकते हो, आप भी कभी अनरीजनेबल हो सकते हो. क्योंकि अभी जिस तरह का सिनेरियो चल रहा है, आई थिंक वी ऑल आर स्ट्रगलिंग ऑन डिफरेंट फंड्स. सो मेनी टाइम्स इट कुड बी द एंग्जाइटी अबाउट जॉब, बहुत बार हेल्थ, apparent challenges with the very close ones, that could be another anxiety. A lot of ambiguity कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, जनरल वरी अबाउट द हेल्थ. सो इतना सारा स्ट्रगल पेरेंट्स में होने के बाद उनसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाए कि वो एकदम रैशनल और रीजनेबल पेरेंट रहेंगे, इट्स वेरी अनफेयर ऑन देयर पार्ट. सो बी इजी ऑन दैट.
Very true.
And it's okay to be vulnerable, because when you are vulnerable, you are also giving the scope to your kids to be vulnerable about it, because we are not perfect. And that's where I think that role modeling is important. बच्चे हमसे देख के सीखते
Yeah.
हैं. And I remember one of the articles I wrote about that, किसी भी घर में, जब मैं बचपन में, मेरा बचपन था, तो लाइट जाती थी, तो घर में क्या होता था वो मैं देख के बड़ी हुई. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग अंताक्षरी खेलते थे, शब्दों की अंताक्षरी, गाने की अंताक्षरी, या फिर पुरानी पिक्चर्स के बारे में मेरे पेरेंट्स बात करते थे. सो लाइट जाना वॉज ऑलवेज अ फन फॉर मी, एंड यू नो दोज
Yeah.
मेमोरीज ऑफ दैट. So definitely, role modeling is a very powerful way when kids learn by observing you, the way you demonstrate or handling any particular situation. At the same time, I also believe that that pressure to be role model, and I remember one of the very powerful examples I give. For example, smoking. You know, the father was a chain smoker, and he wanted his son, particularly a teenage, that not to get into that habit. एंड ही वॉज सो मच अंडर द
Yeah.
प्रेशर ऑफ रोल मॉडलिंग कि मैं खुद सिगरेट पीता हूँ, तो मैं कैसे उसको बोल सकता हूँ कि उसने सिगरेट नहीं पीना चाहिए. Now think about it, the kind of a pressure on the father. And I said no,
I know.
because you can be more appropriate role model for him, because you can share your own experience. And he started talking about
Yeah.
it कि मेरा क्या struggle है, what all I have lost because of my smoking. And that's where I'm trying hard not to continue this habit, but I would like you as my son not to get into this habit. So accept
Yeah.
yourself and be, as I said, real and genuine parenting is always appreciated by the kids.
I think this is the best tip, I guess, because every child is different and every parent is different. So
Yeah.
we cannot make or beat that out. So, if your kid is different, then the same type of parenting, because you are also a different kind of parent. So I
Yeah.
think this tip is absolutely
Thank you.
like the best tip. And coming to my next question, so what actually we can, do right now as a parent in this pandemic under one roof in these tough times? Because, kids are like, the more elders are there around them, the more lot of discipline they expect. And then, we always say, ye mat karo, wo mat karo, yahan mat chado, wo mat karo. So I think little poor kids, they are just going through a lot of things. So how we can, what is the perfect thing which we can do right now?
Yeah, yeah. So this is a very unusual time, and let me be honestly accepting this, that even I don't have a very ready tips, because I'm also facing it first time in my life, that not going out
Okay.
and this whole socially disconnected to the world, this whole ambiguity. So I'm also first time facing it. What worked
Yeah.
in this scenario, Vani, I believe, जब भी डिसिप्लिन करने की बात होती है, दिस इज लाइक नॉट ओनली फॉर पेंडेमिक बट इन जनरल एज अ पेरेंटिंग टिप, आई वुड से there's a term which is known as positive reinforcement. हम ये समझने वाली बात है
Okay.
कि हम जिस चीज़ को अटेंशन देते हैं, जिस बिहेवियर को अटेंशन देते हैं, वो स्ट्रेंथन होता है, क्योंकि उसको अटेंशन की खुराक मिलती है, ऐसा कह सकते हैं. और इसीलिए जनरली
Okay,
हम
like
देखें.
अगर बच्चा किसी चीज की, okay, sorry,
या
बच्चा
या
किसी
दैट्स
की
ओके.
अगर डिमांड कर रहा है और अगर हम उसको कंटिन्यूअसली मना करेंगे तो that will go into his head. Is that
Yes.
right what I
Yeah,
understood?
and to add to it, for example, for not doing things, many a times, most of the time, if you observe our language, as you rightly said, don't do it. or why you are not doing it. So this don't and
Yeah.
not, rather than pick up a child doing something which is desirable, which is something age appropriate, which you expect him or her to do. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं हमेशा बोलती
Oh,
हूँ कि हर जब बच्चे स्कूल जाते थे ना, इट साउंड्स लाइक कि कब जाते थे, पर जब जाते थे every day the child is making sure to keep her shoes in the shoe rack. Okay, you don't care
yeah.
because it's been
Yeah.
expected from the kid. But the moment she doesn't do, and you start asking her that, keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Now think about it. Why she's getting the attention? She's getting the attention for not doing something, and she realizes that, oh,
Yeah.
it's good, because otherwise I see that mom gets busy in serving me food, or she says that, okay, watch TV, but the moment I keep my shoes on the carpet, I see कि वो उसका ध्यान मेरी तरफ जाता है. And you
Very
suddenly
true.
realize कि तुम तो रोज रखते थे, अब क्या हो गया तुमको, and your irritation increases. But what the child is enjoying, the sudden attention she's getting for not doing the task. And that's exactly the
Very
difference
true.
between positive attention and the negative attention.
I think to just to add a little on this,
Sure.
every time अभी हम सभी घर पे हैं, मतलब mom, dad with the kids 24/7 together. But
Yeah.
I think the attention level is going down because
Yeah.
dad's mom, everyone is working from home, or the mother is busy in the household chores and she's so busy. So I think जो पहले previously हम time या दे पाते थे attention, वो अभी हम शायद कम दे रहे हैं because
Yeah.
हम हमारे सामने है वो सारा time. And स्कूल से आते थे तो अरे after so long they have come, so we used to just hug them and all, because right now they're all time with us, so I think the attention is also going down maybe.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah, yeah. And that's where any kind of a compliance training, we need to remember the positive reinforcement and the negative reinforcement. गालियों के साथ भी ऐसे ही होता है कि जब बच्चा गाली देना सीखता है, एंड सडनली द होल हाउस होल्ड इज अराउंड हिम, क्या बोला क्या बोला क्या बोला, उसको समझ कुछ नहीं आता, पर उसको लगता है दिस इज अ वेरी मैजिकल वर्ड. जैसे ही मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ, पूरा का पूरा घर मेरी चारों तरफ इकट्ठा हो जाता है, एंड वी वंडर कि ये कहाँ से
The
सीख के आया है.
showstopper.
Yeah. And then this habit gets strengthened, and then we use all sort of other tricks to get the child undo that habit, which is very difficult. So this is very important. And another thing also I see many times, as you said, we are so much into multitasking nowadays. So
Yeah.
बहुत बार बिहेवियर, यदि हमको फर्म बिहेवियर बच्चे से करवाना है, या कोई बिहेवियर उसको आदत डलवानी है, go to that place and make that child do this. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको लगता है कि बच्चे ने अपनी थाली उठा के रखनी चाहिए, बच्चा खाना खा के उठ के अपने रूम में चला गया, और आप किचन से उसको आवाज़ें दे रहे हो कि इधर आके अपनी थाली उठाओ, उधर आके. यू विल सी हाउ किड्स आर मैनिपुलेटिव. ही नोज और शी नोज कि ये 3-4 मेरे को आवाज़ें लगेंगी, चौथी आवाज़ या तो तेज़ होगी या फिर खुद ही ये उठा के रख देंगी, and they actually wait
True.
for it. Some sort of a power play happens between parents and the kids, that they see that, see, I made her upset, see, I made him upset. So the second time when you feel that the child is not paying any heed, go hold his or her hand, get him to the dining table, और उसको बोलो ये उठाओ, जाके सिंक में रखो, and then go. And you will see that they will start taking your instructions seriously, because they know that you mean it, और अब आप आ जाओगे और ये करना पड़ेगा.
Because to add to this, like kids take their moms really, they don't take them seriously. Mama तो बोलती रहती है, mama तो पूरे टाइम एक ही चीज बोलती है. So I think this is really a good tip to all the mothers out there, like how to discipline your child and to make them listen to you what you are saying to them.
Yes.
So this
And
is
to
really
add to it,
nice.
have minimum rules. They're kids after all. So don't have the long list of rules.
That is always true.
Yeah.
We should not be hard on them because already they are going through a lot right now.
Yes.
जो
yes.
garden में खेलते थे, जो अपने friends के साथ रहते थे school में, they are all around with elders and not of similar kind of age people, and then listening to all big. I think one more point which just clicked me out is listening to all the elderly talks around all the time. Like जैसे mother father बात कर रहे हैं about anything, about the expenses, about any other big things which kids should not listen to at that point of age. I think this is also one thing which this pandemic has shown all the kids.
Yeah, yeah. And I feel that the time is very different, because they have all the excess in terms of what is all happening around because the
Yeah.
screen time. So they have their own devices. If you talk about kids attending online classes, and they are watching all sort of information which is there. So it is not age related, and that's where I believe all the more important because I'm also a leadership facilitator and coach. I would really say that communication is the word which is very cliched because starting from school आजकल ऐसा होता है कि सब communication की बात करते हैं, but it is one of the
Yeah.
most powerful tools, and especially in this time, I would say I used to do it. My daughter is 28 years old, Vani. I still do that whenever she's around me. This pillow talk, and pillow talk is a very powerful exercise to get that kind of a vent out and make people make your kid understand what is happening in your life, and that empathy will help him or her to share what is
So,
happening in their life.
can you just brief about
Yeah, yeah,
the
sure.
pillow talk? थोड़ा सा
Yes,
डिटेल में आप बता
yes.
सकते हैं सभी को?
So, as the name says, that it can be generally planned when it's a bedtime, but if you don't find that time and it's a very busy time for you, any time during the day when you have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever the time, but at least 10 minutes is a good time to start. Uninterrupted, and when I say uninterrupted, it is like no device near you or no distractions. You're totally with your kid, and there are various ways the pillow talk can be done. As I said that there are times to teach, there are times not to teach, and particularly pillow talk is not at all a time to teach. It is more of a sharing, it is more of a listening. So a
Yeah.
lot of time we hear that इससे कुछ भी पूछो तो हाँ हूँ में जवाब देता है, बात ही नहीं करता है. I want my kid to talk, and this is a very powerful
Yeah.
exercise to facilitate that whole conversation between you and your kid. Now, some of the questions where you can start, for example, if you feel that the kid is at that level where he or she can speak and share, you can say that I could see you that this whole time of not going out is bothering you. I want to listen how it has impacted your life, how it is
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
And next 10 minutes, I'm going to listen to you and give that undivided attention of 10 minutes. And you will see so many
Yeah.
things which we have not even imagined what the kid is missing can be explored. Or sometimes when the kid is not so much keen to talk, you start with your own self, that how this whole life has changed for me. I used to go out, meet my friends, walk was there. I used to meet my friends when we used to go for some sort of a coffee. काम भी बंद हो गया है, and I'm
Yeah.
really not liking it. So when you start sharing, the kid also starts sharing, and it is some
Very true.
fundamental guideline for all of us that not to preach, not to discipline, it's just for sharing and listening. And so many discoveries happens
Yeah.
during pillow talk, Vani, I can't tell you.
Talking about this, yesterday only I was talking to Delisha, my 6-year-old girl, and she was like, I said, "Ki, oh, come on, let's talk. We are not. It's been long that we are not into conversation,
Yeah,
and मेरे को भी time नहीं मिलता because I have a small baby to take care of."
yeah,
So we were doing some play type things. So a question came. She asked me a question, Mama, what if this corona disappears? So I was like, absolutely not in a position to answer this. And I said, okay, you tell me, what if this
yeah,
corona disappears? So she told me around 20 things which maybe she was missing. And
yeah,
that's what was running into her mind. Going to parks, playing, swimming pool is the best. Like swimming is the best for kids, and they've been missing this from last 2 years. And
yeah,
so many things that nothing came into my mind, but she was like full of 20 things she told me. And I was
yeah,
like, oh my God, कितना ज्यादा बच्चों को इफेक्ट किया है इस पेंडेमिc ने और ये टाइम में, that we cannot even imagine what is going
absolutely.
through with them.
Yeah, yeah. And at least we elders can talk and can express. They are totally
Yeah.
at loss. They actually not able to frame their anxieties, their worries, their questions. And this is such a good, powerful way to reflect back what you did to your daughter. Because many a times we don't have answers, many times we don't have solutions, and that's where another powerful tool for all of us as parents is the questioning. And questioning is not that कि तुम ये क्यों नहीं खाते और तुम पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं करते और तुम मोबाइल कितना देखते हो. It's more of a questioning
So
is
true.
reflecting. Yeah, as you
Yeah,
said that, that I'm very curious to know what will happen, and she came up with so many things. And imagine if you would have given the answer, you could have taken the opportunity कि वो इतनी सारी चीजें जो उसने तुमको बताई, वो शायद वो मिस हो जाती. And that's
बिल्कुल
exactly the power of
बिल्कुल.
questioning. Very powerful tool.
बिकॉज उस टाइम तो मैं स्पीचलेस हो गई थी बिकॉज कोरोना डिसअपियर हो गया. शी टोल्ड मी कि मम्मा मास्क ही नहीं होते, मम्मा मास्क वो ही नहीं होते, प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं होते इन हर ओन लैंग्वेज. एंड देयर
Yeah,
वर लाइक सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच आई वाज लाइक वाओ यार, मतलब
yeah,
बच्चा इतना सोच पा रहा है कि व्हाट आर द न्यू थिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव इनकलकेटेड एंड
yeah.
कम अप इन आवर लाइव्स. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. और आई थिंक हमें एज अ पेरेंट अभी उन पे बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए बच्चों पे. और anything else you want to add on, or any tip, anything which we missed or I missed, or you want to share
I think
the last note
another
for this?
thing or the ingredient, Vani, which can be most powerful right now is also humor, because we also have so much negativity and despair. इतना ज़्यादा negativity है मीडिया में, देखो न्यूज़ सुनो, जो भी आसपास के लोग हैं. So humor is also another very interesting way to deal with this whole situation, and you're also role modeling
True.
that tough times become easier जब हम अपने humor को use करते हैं, and humor can be used in various ways. The kind of a question,
True.
for example, you said that ऐसा कभी हो जाए तो क्या होगा, amusement in terms of कि रात को आज 12 बजे
Yeah.
एकदम कोरोना डिसाइड करता है कि आज अब मैं जा रहा हूँ, बहुत परेशान कर दिया
Well,
हमने. So give them that kind of a hope that magic happens, and that's such a good hope for them. So humor is all time favorite for me as a parent, and it really helps. It helps to save me from a lot of embarrassments which I have done as parents. And yeah, so that's okay, it happens. So I feel
yeah.
that that can be used.
That was all, and I think all small छोटी मोटी बातें जो सब आपने शेयर की, अपनी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस, अपना everything from your side is so valuable for me as a parent, and also for my viewers who are there listening to this. And thank you, Dr. Supriya, for being here for us. And I love your channel. I do watch your videos. They're amazing. They're therapeutic, and whenever I watch them, I am just into some different world. So I hope we'll meet soon again like this. And thank you so much for coming.
It's my pleasure, because this is the topic which I really wanted to share. I know how as parents we have our own struggles. So reach out to me anytime you want to talk, you want to discuss something, and I'll be more than happy to suggest whatever I know because of my profession and because of my experience. It's absolute pleasure, Vani. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, Supriya.